Welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Yeah, I can see from the maybe west-southwest here, the clouds changing. Yeah, and I'm hearing rather distant thunder, fairly low. I imagine it's loud when it's a little closer. So today's Tàijíquán Tip is to take your cue from nature about when to stop your practice. I'm standing out here under a tree in a field and the thunder's coming. And so rather than my ego saying, well, I was going to do 10 repetitions or I was just quieted because maybe you could hear that one. But anyway, rather than your ego saying, I'm supposed to do these repetitions or I'm going to practice till half past or I'm going to practice till my ride gets here or I'm going to practice till I get this right. Practice paying attention to natural invitations to wrap it up. In this case, thunder. So I'm going to head inside, seek some shelter, and be safe and enjoy the storm. So enjoy that practice. I know it'll seem like one of the easier ones, but for many of us with egos, that's not the easiest one. So enjoy, be safe, and practice your calligraphy.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.